How do we know that the universe is expanding? So it comes down to what's known as the Doppler effect. And this is something that you have probably experienced in everyday life. This happens with anything that produces waves. So waves in the ocean, sound, light. Now with sound, you've most likely heard it in traffic. Let's say there's a siren coming towards you. Well, you know, first of all, it's coming towards you because it's getting louder, right? But you can also kind of figure out how quickly it's moving towards you because you're listening to the pitch. As it comes towards you, those sound waves are becoming compressed, and that makes it sound higher pitched to us. When it passes by you, those sound waves start to get spread out. They're pulled out as the object emitting those waves recedes. Now, light works the same way, except that with light, instead of pitch, it's color that we're seeing. So the tighter the wavelengths are, the bluer it looks to us. In fact, it can become so blue that it leaves what we can see, and that's when you start getting into ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. Well, on the other side, if the wavelengths start getting longer, they start looking more red to us, and we can go beyond red as well. That's what infrared and then infraradio is. So, come back to how do we know the universe is expanding? What we need to do is to look out at the universe around us. And we're going to look past the closest stars to us. What we're going to do is we're going to look out at the other galaxies. And there are billions of galaxies that we can see from Earth within our observable universe. And we look at the color of them. We look for the red shift or the blue shift. If something is shifted towards blue, then we know it's coming towards us. So that's the case with Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course with each other. Well, most of the other galaxies that we see are red shifted. So we can look at that red shift and we can calculate how quickly they're moving away from us. And then, really interesting, the farther away they are, the more and more red shifted they become. So from that, we're able to see that not only are they moving away from us, but it's accelerating. The universe is accelerating.